Let's get your Optus 4G Wi-Fi modem up and running. First, power off the device. Locate the SIM card slot, usually on the side or under a cover. Insert your activated Optus SIM card. A nano, micro, or standard SIM will work. Ensure it clicks in properly. If you haven't activated your SIM, call Optus at 131-175. Next, connect the modem to your computer via USB or Wi-Fi and access the web interface. The default IP address is typically 192.168.8.1, and the username password is often admin/admin. Navigate to the settings and input the Optus APN details. Set the name to Optus Internet and the APN to Internet. Leave the username and password fields blank. Save these settings and reboot the modem. This APN configuration is essential for connecting to Optus's network. If you see a no internet message, double-check your APN settings and ensure there's no network congestion. Now that you're connected, let's optimize your signal strength and secure your Wi-Fi network. Use the modem's dashboard or the Optus app to check your signal. Aim for at least 3 to 4 bars for reliable speeds, up to 150 Mbps on 4G. Place the modem near a window or use an external antenna for better reception. If the signal is weak, try switching to 4G only mode in the settings to prevent fallback to 3G. Finally, secure your Wi-Fi. In the web interface, go to Wi-Fi settings and set a strong WPA3 password. Use at least 12 characters long, using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. If needed, enable a guest network for added security. Optus recommends changing the default password immediately to prevent unauthorized access to your network. Regularly update the modem's firmware via the Optus app for bug fixes and security enhancements. And remember to check your data plan to avoid any unexpected charges.